How to add an image over video in Davinci Resolve. I'm going to show you how you can easily add images over video in Davinci Resolve. Launch Davinci Resolve and create a new project. Import your video clip and the image you want to overlay into the media pool. Switch to the edit page in Davinci Resolve. Drag your video clip onto the timeline. Drag the image from the media pool onto a higher video track in the timeline. Place it above the video clip. Position the image overlay at the desired point on the timeline. Trim the edges of the image overlay to set its duration. Click on the image overlay in the timeline to select it. In the viewer panel, use the controls to adjust the position and size of the image overlay over the video. Select the image overlay in the timeline. In the inspector panel, navigate to the blend section and choose a blending mode that suits your needs. In the inspector panel, you can also adjust the opacity of the image overlay to control its transparency over the video. Play back the timeline to preview the video with the image overlay. Make any additional adjustments to the image overlay's position, size, blending mode, or opacity as needed. Once you are satisfied with the image overlay, go to the Deliver page in Davinci Resolve. Configure your export settings and export the project with the image overlay added to the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.